Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're on the hunt for a foundation that promises to stand the test of time while offering a silky smooth finish, you might want to pay attention to this one. Today, we're diving into the LORAC Pro Soft Focus Longwear Foundation. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about what this product is really about. The LORAC Pro Soft Focus Foundation is a cream-based foundation that promises long-lasting wear, a soft focus finish, and a lightweight feel on the skin. It's designed for a variety of skin types, including oily, sensitive, and combination skin. So if you're someone who's always on the move, looking for a foundation that won't let you down halfway through the day, keep watching. This foundation is a game changer, especially with its formulation. It's got spherical powders, which means it glides over the skin, offering that flawless slip while keeping shine at bay throughout the day. And yes, it's water resistant, so if you live in a humid climate or need your foundation to stay intact through long hours, this could be your new best friend. I've had the chance to test this foundation for a few weeks, and here's what I've experienced. The texture is surprisingly light, almost like a whipped cream consistency. It blends beautifully and feels refreshing once applied. It's not thick or heavy, which I absolutely love. On application, it gives an instant soft focus effect, blurring imperfections and giving the skin a smoother appearance. It doesn't feel like you're wearing a mask, which is a big win for me when it comes to longwear formulas. For those who have concerns about fine lines, this foundation could be a solid option. It seems to gently fill them in without making them more pronounced, a feature that sets it apart from some other foundations in the market. As for coverage, it's buildable, which means you can layer it up if you want a bit more coverage for those stubborn spots. But like with any product, there are a couple of things worth mentioning. First off, it does have a soft, dewy finish. If you're someone who prefers a more matte look, this might not be your ideal match. While it does a great job of controlling shine, the finish can still lean a bit luminous. So if you don't love that, I'd suggest setting it with a translucent powder. Additionally, while it claims to be suitable for all skin types, if you have extremely dry skin, you may want to prep with a good moisturizer, as it can highlight dry patches if not properly hydrated. Now, let's talk about the price. At a premium price point, LORAC Pro Soft Focus Longwear Foundation may feel like an investment. But is it worth it? Given its long-lasting performance, lightweight feel, and impressive finish, I'd say it's definitely justified for those who are looking for a foundation that works throughout the day without touch-ups. It's the type of product that's worth splurging on if you value both performance and comfort. If you're on the hunt for something similar, but at a more budget-friendly price, there are some drugstore options that also offer longwear and a soft focus finish, although they may not have the same skin-loving ingredients. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional, and it feels sturdy in your hand. I didn't experience any issues with the pump, and there's no mess when dispensing the product, which I appreciate. It's always the little things that matter when you're dealing with liquid formulas. Now, if you're someone who values customer support and responsiveness, LORAC has a pretty good reputation when it comes to addressing customer concerns, though I haven't had to reach out myself. I've heard they stand by their products and are quick to respond when needed. As for product alternatives, if the price is a concern, there are some comparable foundations from brands like Maybelline or L'Oreal that deliver similar longwear results at a more affordable cost. They might not have the same refined texture or blurring effect, but they get the job done for those looking for budget-friendly options. To wrap things up, LORAC Pro Soft Focus Longwear Foundation is a solid choice for anyone who's looking for a long-lasting, comfortable foundation that offers a beautiful finish without feeling heavy on the skin. It's especially great for those with oily or combination skin, or anyone in need of a foundation that can withstand a busy day. While it's on the pricier side, the performance and skin-loving ingredients make it worth considering, especially if you struggle with finding a longwear foundation that feels light and breathable. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.